Hey guys, it's King School Gaming. This is why I recorded because uh uh I'm a little bit worried because the AC adapter, yeah, it's broken. Look, it has no light in here. But the good news is my dad will fix it or not. I don't know. If we plug it, the monitor of the computer will start. Then if we not plug it, it will not start, right? You know the part of the computer. But if the AC adapter is broken and you plug it, you said, wait, what the? Why is it not starting? Because the AC adapter is broken. So that's all today, and I will be recording at the cell phone. And then see you guys later. Bye.